So I'll go and fix the search part. So the search part is broken because we added the categories in the end, and in the filter it tries to take the category and it is breaking because of that. So to fix the filter, we need to fix here in the process record. We have to fix this here. So let's see what is the coming as str is coming, but filter text is coming, but I think str is not there. Str of so str is missing. Let me see what is coming in the filter text, filter field. Okay, let's try to see. So it's coming video title because we gave the filter text in the page. Let's say if I go to my flicks, view1, I okay, not in the view1, in the home. How are you, Kat? Okay, I thought you went to doctor to fix your voice. So in the view1, where is the process date record? Here is the process record, and we are doing process record, calling process record here. Okay, so because of this categories, some of the video does not have categories, and because of that it was breaking yesterday. So now I will fix that by, so if I do break, so it's going to the video title. So it's going to the video title, or if I say continue, or if I do as, you will see it has all the three, and because of record does not exist, uh, this record does not have that one field, so it was not able to convert this str to lowercase because that field does not exist. So if I want to see, let's see what is str. So as str is the category or the description or the title. So now we don't have the str. See, this is undefined. So if we don't get the str, we should not go further. So I can say if I remove everything, then it will give error because it is undefined, and see, it's giving error because it is undefined. str is undefined, and using the str to lower on the undefined is not allowed. So if I say if not str, means that means if we don't have str, I can say continue. Let me try with another filter. This should be, this should work. So I will put this text and I'm getting the record. So maybe I can say hot cross. So HO is in Zool. Zool babies are in both, so we are getting that one. So let's try the categories. So categories also we can try. Whatever text you want to see, you can search on that text. We can also put the category, subcategory, where user can search particular category and subcategory. We will see that in future class, not today. I will do one more thing. When I am managing and I'm adding the categories, or when I'm adding the videos, I will add an updated date also. So for example, if we have already the created date, whenever I change this list, I will update the modified date, updated date. That will help in some caching mechanism. So let's go and do that in the video categories and videos. Let's go to videos, and when we are, let's say when we are getting, okay, I think when we are submitting it, when we are creating the list, let's see where we are creating the list. So here we are creating the list. Here we will also add the updated date. And this one we will update every time when we change the category or when we change the data. So let's fix this one also. I'll go to videos.js and I try to put the videos for that one. So I will update the date also. So to update the date, I will take the path. This is the path we have to take. Okay, so this is the path I have to take. Let's say URL2, for example. So instead of videos, I will update the updated. And I will say firebase.reference.url. So URL is 2. I have to take the URL 2 and I will say dot set. Here I will pass the new time. So whenever user try to add the video, we update the updated date. Also, we will update the date when user try to change the category, add the categories, which he can do here. I create the list. Let's see where we add the categories. So here I can go categories. So where are we? See the categories. Categories is in this category. So when user submit the category to Firebase, I add the category, and this is a subcategory. Category ID, and subcategories. This is we are submitting the category to Firebase. This is adding the subcategory, and this is adding the category. So whenever we add the category or subcategory also, we need to update this date. This is for the subcategory, and this is for the subcategory. So whenever we try to edit the category subcategory, we will update the updated date. Let's try now. So we need to add the Firebase in this page. So I will create the new list, for example, kids. And once I created the kids, you will see so Tony, I think by mistake you have reference to my Firebase, so you are whenever you're adding, it's coming on my site. So this is the kids. I see the updated date. If you see the updated date, last 4 digit 9301. Let's try to add the categories. Maybe I can say action. Now it is changed. Updated is changed. When I try to add the subcategory, hello, so it's again changed. So whenever we are doing any change on the list, I update the date, and this updated date will be used in one of the way which I will show you in few days. So this category part is done. So I should be able to now edit and delete also, which we will do. Let's see what is pending here. This is category. So we won't be able to edit the category. Once created, it's created. I don't see any edit part in the Firebase. Maybe when we change to database, MySQL, we can do that. So right now only edit thing is there. So if someone deletes the category, all the subcategories will be deleted. But if you delete the subcategory, then only that subcategory will be deleted. We have two subcategories. Okay, we will see what we can do now. Okay, so we are done with the pagination. Let's try to find out another layout. This is one kind of layout which we copied from the food donation. Let's see if we get another layout. Let's go to the text. I'm just searching another template which we will build to display the videos. Though we have to build the Netflix like one in few days, but I will give many options where user can choose the type, whatever type he wants to use it, whatever view he wants to use it. So they don't have any much, kind of view. So let's work some other things. A lot of things to be pending. We have to do a lot of things. Maybe I can go into the list and let's try to let's remove the edit part because we won't be able to change the name. We will be only able to delete it. So let's do the delete part. So this is create one. So if you remember when we were able to click the delete, we need to ask the confirmation, and we were calling the confirmation in the model dialog box. So same thing we will call it here. So let's try to create that model one. So let's see if I have done it already. Yeah, so this is the delete model which I built it. It's same the model which we use in the fire in the food donation. Only thing I am passing props for the few methods like detail, which I want to pass back, and this is the function which I need to call. This is a function we need to call when user will click the delete button. This is the message we have to display. This is the close FN, that is close function when user try to close the model, and this is the delete model, that is true or false. If it is true, we will show the model. If it is false, we will not show the model. So let's copy this delete model. It's same thing what we did in the food donation delete one. I just put it in the common. Same thing we'll do here. I'll put this delete model here in the common. Let's see now how to use the delete model. I will copy the code. So if I want to copy, find. So here in the simple quiz, I'm calling the delete model. The same thing with us, we will be calling this on the list create page. I call the delete and it is in the command delete model. So it will be one level back because it will go to my flex. One level back means it will go to source and then it will go to common and delete model. I think this is correct. So I created one delete model state that whether to show or not. Let's put that in the create. What else I did? On closing, I am changing the delete model to false. That is, don't show it. So I will create one function called as close, which will change the delete model to false. That means don't show the model. And here is the delete record. Right now I'll just do console.log. Let's see how the delete model is called. The delete model is called here. So when you click the delete button, you will call this one delete model. Same thing which we'll do here in the create page. When user will click this delete button, we will update the state to delete model equal to true. And I'll say delete this record. I'll say delete this list. And then I'll call the delete model where I'm saying the message. Message will be what message I want to display. Okay, so the message will be here. It's a string and this is a variable I'm putting in this one. So here I have to put some kind of ID maybe. So I'm saying message ID is ID value.id. On closing, we call the close function which we just now created it. There's no close FN function. Yeah, close function. And on the delete record function, I call the this.delete record function. Let's see, delete record function is there. Yeah, it's there, this one. Delete model is state.delete model. That is the one which we created the variable, this one. And details will be nothing but this value. Let's see now. I click this one. So it's asking delete record this. If we see this VZ, so VZ is nothing but a kids one. So it's saying delete record, I'll say no. Say delete record. Okay. So for everybody it's showing VZ, something is wrong. So when I click it, delete model becomes true and we show the delete model. but we need to show the particular one with the details. Let's see how we have done this one here. So when I delete the record, I set the delete it to true. So maybe we'll do this tomorrow. I have to see how to do the delete one. Right now, whenever I'm clicking, it's showing same ID. It should be different. So maybe somehow we need to fix. We need to change little bit code to make this work.